So now we'll start with the second set of conditional statements that we have is if else fi concept. So what happens here is if a given condition is true, then command 1 is executed, otherwise command 2 is executed. As in, if the condition is true, certain set of commands are executed, and otherwise if it is not true, then other set of commands can be executed. So the syntax we have here is if condition, then condition is true, execute all commands up to else statement. That is, if the condition is true, then all the commands between then and else will be executed. Or if the condition is not true, execute all the commands up to fi. That is, if condition is not true, we can execute all the commands between else and fi will be executed. So this is the basic syntax and concept for if else fi. So now we move on to example that explains this concept. So we'll create a script to see whether the argument is positive or negative. So first in the starting we'll check whether we are passing the arguments or not. So what we are doing is we are checking if $hash means a total number of arguments passed to the script. If $hash is equal to 0, then it will echo $0. $0 means the name of the script. You must supply at least one integers. So if we are not passing any arguments, $hash will equal to 0 and it will display this error message. And then after displaying the error message, it will exit with status 1. So it will terminate the script, it will move out of the script with exit status as 1. That is, script ran with some errors. So if we are passing some parameters, this section will be skipped and it will move on to this section where we are checking the parameter passed, that is value of $1, that is the first parameter that is being passed, is greater than 0. If the number is greater than 0, then this set of command will be executed, that $1 number is positive, and if it is not greater than 0, then it will move to the else part, that is echo number is negative. So we'll check this script for various numbers, that is 8 or any negative number, to see what output we get in the script. So I'll run this here in putty, as in I have a script test number.sh which has the code I explained just now, as in we have it, if it will check for arguments and then it will check for the number whether it is positive or negative. So I'll run this script. What I'll do here is I'll first pass the parameter as 8. As 8 is greater than 0, it will give me number is positive. I'll pass the parameter as minus 49. So the number is negative. So you can try this script without any parameter. As in my session was disconnected, but without any parameter, it will give the error messages. You must supply at least one integer. And with 0, you can try it. It will give the number as negative. So how the script works? It works as, first script checks whether the command line argument is given or not. If given, then it will print the error message as test number.sh. So you must give one integers. If statement checks whether the number of arguments $hash passed to the script is not equal to 0. If we passed any argument to the script, then this if statement is false, and if no command line argument is given, then this if statement is true. The echo command, that is $0, you must give or supply one integers. $0 will print the name of the script. At rest, $0 will print the error message. And finally, statement exit 1 calls the normal program termination with exit status as 1. The last symbol run, that is test number with parameter as 0, gives output as 0 number is negative, because the given argument is not greater than 0. We are checking for the condition where the parameter is greater than 0, as 0 is not greater than 0, hence the condition is false, and it take the number as negative number. To avoid this, replace the second if statement with if $1 greater than or equal to 0, then it will print 0 as a positive number. So this was the concept for if else fi statement that we have in shell script. You can try some more examples to make you more clearer on this concept. Thank you for attending the session.